Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're revisiting the carburetors. I've got to fix up a problem, a mistake I made. I added an extra O-ring that wasn't necessary. Also, I want to check the float valve height and just double check the slow air nozzles, slow air jets even. So let's get on with it. First up, I'm fixing up the mistake I made. It was pointed out to me by BenG24 on Reddit. I added an extra O-ring on the vacuum chamber, shown here with the red arrow. Got the top end of the carburetor, I thought I might as well check the air jets to check that I've got them the right way round. Remembering that the large jet, the 120, should be more outboard and the smaller jet, the 60, should be in the more inboard hole. They were all correct, but it's best to be safe. Next, it's time to set the float valve height, which I forgot to do last time. With the carb turned over and the float bowl removed, the aim is to measure the height of the float when the float valve is closed. The height should be 21 millimeters. I use a pick to bend the tab up and adjust the height slightly. And now just to do it 3 more times. Here I'm covering the inlet where the airbox is going to attach. I'm using masking tape to stop any debris from getting in when I install it back on the bike. I gave the top of the engine a blowout with the airline before the installation. First thing I did was remove the inlet manifolds from one side to allow me to slide the carburetors in. Then I found it was necessary to remove the inlet manifolds to attach them to the carbs. So the other side inlet manifolds had to come off too. Chrome dressing also needs to come off to make it easier to get the inlet manifolds on. With a bit of force, finally the inlet manifolds can go on, and they all get bolted down. watching. That's the carburetor revisit done. We managed to level up the floats, get the measurement of the height of the floats correct, got them remounted onto the engine along with the oil filter, the water pump, and so next up we get the radiator plumbed, get the fuel tank on and plumbed, and then we can go back to doing the forks, get the forks on and get back to a rolling chassis. If you like what I did today, please hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification if you want to know when I'm releasing new videos, and take care of yourself.